This is an evaluation of the order trading system activity for February the 9th, 2022. We had 4 trades on that day. All 4 trades were buys. First trade was CCJ. That's Cameco Corporation. Tripped at 12:45:07 p.m. at a price of $22.53. It closed the day at $22.78, up 14.82%, down 0.18% after hours. So that's a positive. And we'll have a quick look at the indicators. OBV looks good. MACD sideways up at the afternoon. DI was up pretty much the whole day. You can see a little bit of a drop here, somewhat mid-late afternoon, and still went up. Strangely enough, Bollinger Band wasn't showing that as a drastic. It looked like it was pretty drastic, but Bollinger Band was a minor drop in price, so the stock itself was moving positive. Next trade is EAF. That's Graph Tech International Limited, tripped at 1:04 p.m. at a price of $10.26. Closed the day at $10.36, up 6.15%. We'll take a look at the indicators. Take a look at the indicators. Volume was up, dropped a little bit in the late afternoon, but you can see at the end of the day it looked like it dropped, jumped again, MACD up, and it came down a bit in the afternoon. When the end of the day it was up. DI, okay, you can see where this drop occurred, where it was negative in the afternoon, but at the end of the day it jumped up again. Bollinger Band showing that it came up, and again, like the other one, even though it looked like a strong negative, it was very, very minor, and moving more sideways. So that stock technically was moving, well, wasn't technically, is moving positive, or was for that day. Next trade is FTCH. That's Farfetch Limited, tripped at 1:04:55 p.m. at a price of $20.93. It closed the day at $21.50, up 9.64%, up 0.88% after hours. It's another positive. Volume looks good, pretty much up the whole day. MACD pretty much up and stayed up. DI up, just a little bit of drop here in mid-afternoon period, but still maintained positive. Bollinger just showed just a clean upward rise. That stock definitely was moving positive. Next trade is ATOS. That's ATOS Therapeutics Incorporated, tripped at 1:21:26 p.m. at a price of $147. It closed the day at 147, up 3.52%, up 1.48% after hours. 121. It's roughly around here. 48. Okay, so we can see from roughly around 250. $250 to $340. It was above the stripping price. So we're talking almost an hour there where it was above the stripping price. So that's another positive for that one. Take a look at the indicators for that. Volume not too bad. MACD not too bad. Consistent moving upwards. DI not too bad. You see a little bit of negative at the end of the day, but not drastic. And Bollinger Band basically, like the other showing and moving somewhat sideways. The stock not strongly, but is showing somewhat of an indication of positive activity. Okay, that's 4 out of 4 stocks, so that's 100% for the positive results, which is a good day. You can see the market looked like it was doing fairly well that day, so everything was up, and we see the results of it. I'll leave it at that. Thank you.